Good morning. I'm the owner of the account Bike Checks and Riding, and today I will show you my first bike check. I will film it with my brother's iPod Touch, fourth generation. So, this is my bike check. It is an Haro F1C. So the frame is 28.6. It is of um, it is of 2 years ago. Then we have S&M Grand Slam 8.25 bars, ODI Longneck XL grips, as we can see cutted. Then we have stolen Vortex buttons and S&M Redneck Stay Strong Edition stem. Then we have stock headset and stock fork, an Apple sticker right here. Then the front wheel is stock, but after Easter I will buy another with ECLAT xodus rim, with ECLAT spokes and stolen roulette front hub. So as we said, the frame is 28.6, obviously brakeless. The seat is Duo Status Rock edition in white. I like this seat. Then we have stolen thermalite seat post, slammed, and an animal seat clamp in the same color of the frame. Then we have feet bottom bracket, feet flow cranks. I like them. They are really cool, and they are like profiles one. Then I have ODYSSEY twisted PC pedals in clean. Then animal Sprocket Balboa 25 tooth with stolen half link chain. And for the rear wheel I have stolen roulette cassette 9 tooth with ECLAT spokes and only a minute please. And ECLAT xodus rim. I don't have pegs right now because I'll buy them after Easter, because I want also to have G-Sport hub guards, and then the tires are stock because one of my friends will buy me Fit FAF town walls. I like them very much, but I can't find them here in Greece. So that's all my bike. See you in the next videos.